Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Deflation is hitting the economy and we need to fix it fast. Let's find the right monetary policy to boost prices back up right now. To reverse falling prices, the central bank must increase the money supply. This expansionary move encourages spending across the economy, which helps push the overall price level back up effectively. Since the banking system has limited reserves, the central bank should perform an open market operation. Buying bonds from banks injects fresh cash directly into the system to increase liquidity. This action lowers interest rates and boosts investment. Therefore, buying bonds is the perfect move. That makes option E our final winner for this problem. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given facts and check steps carefully.